Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're in the home, and we're here to help you decide which mops for tiled floors to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description below. Tiled floors are considered to be one of the most durable and low-maintenance types. However, mopping can be a tedious and dull task that nobody likes to do, which is why investing in a good and reliable mop is very important. In this video, we hope to provide you with the best mops for tiled floors you can easily find in the market today. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The mops for tiled floors that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the home, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The mops for tiled floors coming in at #5 on our list is the Bissell SpinWave Cordless PED Hard Floor Spin Mop. The Bissell SpinWave Spin Mop is designed with powerful rotating pads that deal with dirt, scuffs, and stuck-on messes. The Bissell is lightweight and portable, weighing only 11 pounds. In addition to this, it's cordless, making it easy to maneuver and comfortably move in any direction. Included with the spinning mop are 2 microfiber pads, 2 scrubby pads, 1 sample cleaning formula, and a storage tray. It has a built-in water tank that can hold up to 28 ounces of water and water-based solutions. When completely charged, the Bissell can clean continuously for 20 minutes. The team in the home tested this cordless spinning mop, and we found that it effectively cleans stains and scuffs with its dual microfiber pads. Removing sticky and stuck-on messes was also easy with its scrubby pads. Other than tile floors, the Bissell also works pretty well on sealed wooden floors, laminate floors, linoleum floors, and vinyl floors. The team also made a special note on its on-demand spray, which allows the user to control the amount of cleaning solution distributed. All the switches are positioned on the top half of this cordless mop's handle, making it very easy to grip. We were also impressed with its swivel mechanism, which made it easy to clean under furniture and hard-to-reach corners. After using this cleaning tool, pads were easy to remove and can be cleaned in the washer. The team feels that with its dual cleaning feature and mobility, the Bissell SpinWave Cordless PED Hard Floor Spin Mop deserves to be at the #5 spot on our list. The mops for tiled floors coming in at #4 on our list is the Light and Easy Steam Mop. The Light and Easy Steam Mop is designed as a 5-in-1 cleaning tool for all-around chores on a daily basis. Aside from steam mopping, the Light and Easy electric mop can be used as a counter cleaner, carpet cleaner, garment steamer, and glass cleaner. It has 3 steam modes such as high, medium, and low. This electric mop has swivel steering that makes it easy to maneuver under or around furniture. It features a smart switch that turns off the steam flow when it's in their upright position. This cleaning tool includes a built-in sensor on the handle that activates the steamer when you are ready to use it. After testing the Light and Easy Steam Mop, we found its detachable handheld steamer to be quite convenient in cleaning glass windows and kitchen counters. This electric steam mop can also be used to clean and disinfect garments like cotton, silk, satin, and wool. We also want to highlight its instant heating technology that heats up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit within 30 seconds. At the time of making this video, this product has a 1-year warranty with a replacement policy. The steam mop is the best option if you're looking for an easy and safe way to mop your floor and clean your counters while eliminating over 99% of germs in your furniture fabric. Overall, its versatility and instant heating technology give the Light and Easy a secured, well-deserved spot at #4 on our top 5 list. The mops for tiled floors coming in at #3 in our list is the Libman Wonder Mop and Refills Kit. The Libman Wonder Mop is a simple strip mop with a microfiber mop head. It's designed as a back-to-basic mop that's efficient in removing stains on hard floors. The Libman family has been manufacturing cleaning tools for over 4 generations, ensuring the quality of the materials and the finished product. That being said, the handle for this mop is made of durable steel that's well-coated to prevent dings and scratches. It's also easy to wring with its patented wringer that's molded of flexible polypropylene material. 3 replacement mop heads are also included with the mop. These mop heads can be used on wooden floors, laminate, tile, vinyl, stone, and linoleum. The team in the home tested the Libman Wonder Mop, and we were impressed with its microfiber pads that are extra wide, which is 20% more efficient in removing debris and stains when compared to other standard mops. We also found that its wringer sleeve manages the mop's moisture level really well, and as the wringer locks into place, the grooves drain the water from the cleaning strips. Although it does not come with its own bucket, the mop's sleek design fits perfectly with different kinds of buckets that can be found in your home. The team feels that its patented wringer is its most unique feature, which makes it stand out from other strips mops in the market. The Libman Wonder Mop and Refills Kit is both durable and dependable for a very affordable price. That is why we placed it at the #3 on our list. The mops for tiled floors coming in at #2 on our list is the Bona Stone Premium Spray Mop. This mop measures 4.5 by 16.5 inches. It's a premium spray mop with an extra wide mop head that cleans more room in less time than other spray mops we've tested. This mop has a detachable and refillable bottle that can hold up to 34 ounces of floor cleaner. The mop head is equipped with a washable microfiber pad and safety rubber corner which protect your furniture from unexpected bumps while scrubbing. In addition to that, it comes with one microfiber pad and pre-filled cartridge of Bona hard surface cleaner. A foam grip halfway down the pole of this spray mop allows users to add additional pressure while scrubbing away stains. No need to worry about it bending or breaking because despite its lightweight pole, it's incredibly sturdy. Unlike other spray mops on our list, the Bona Stone Premium Spray Mop is not battery-powered and doesn't need any electrical input to work. The team is impressed with its simple and less complicated pump and trigger mechanism. Although the pads can be reused and washed 300 times, a set of extra clean pads can be very handy. We also made a special note in its fine mist sprayer. Its sprayer coats the floor with a 30-inch wide mist-like cleaning solution without making it too wet and slippery. After using its pre-filled cleaning solution, you can use other water-based solutions. This spray mop is Green Guard Gold certified, which means that it complies with strict chemical emission standards, making it safe to use near children and pets. At the time of making this video, this product has a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If not satisfied with the product, you can return it for a replacement or refund within 5 years. Overall, the Bona Stone Premium Spray Mop is simple and reliable spray mop. With its features like pump and trigger mechanism, this product earned the number 2 spot in our list. And finally, we come to the number 1 mops for tiled floors on our list, the Ecovacs Deebot Vacuum Cleaner and Mops. Ecovacs Deebot is the perfect robotic mop that'll take the hassle of mopping and cleaning entirely off your hands. It has dual cleaning feature that simultaneously vacuums and mops your floor at the same time. It also has an AI/VI technology that can detect and avoid objects while cleaning. With an HD camera, you can monitor your home whenever you want. In addition to this, you can set up virtual boundaries through the use of your smartphone. The Ecovacs vacuum has 4 levels of suction such as Quiet, Standard, Max, Max Plus. When it comes to its dimensions, it's 13.7 inches in length and 3.5 inches in height. Upon testing the Ecovacs, the team in the home took note of 3 unique features they could not find in other standard robotic mops. First, it has a true mopping technology that mops your home with 4 times more accuracy, leaving your floor spotless. Next, it has a smart object recognition feature. Once it recognizes a carpet while mopping, it automatically shifts direction to avoid it. Thirdly, while it's vacuuming, it automatically boosts its suction level to Max Plus to get all the dust out from the carpet's fabric. Lastly, this revolutionary vacuum and mop duo can be set to custom cleaning with the use of your mobile app. In addition to this, you can give voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant. Overall, the Ecovacs Deebot Vacuum Cleaner and Mop takes robotic cleaning to a whole new level of convenience and versatility. The team believes that for its price as well as its features and functions, this deserves to be at the number 1 spot in our list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 mops for tiled floors which got our team at In the Home excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next mops for tiled floors roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we will be sure to look it over for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you in the home again soon.